Welcome to the Clinsoft tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how to use forms in Clinsoft. To access the Forms page, select Forms from the navigation bar. Once you're on the page, you'll see the forms that have been shared with you. The page is divided into two sections. Available forms. This section lists all the forms you are required to fill out and are still active. Expired forms. This section contains forms that are no longer active. To submit a form, go to the Available Forms section, select the form you want to fill out, enter the required details, and click Submit. Some forms allow a single submission, while others permit multiple submissions. If you want to submit another response for a form, select the form again. A new window will open where you can see all your previous submissions listed. If you want to submit another response, click the Submit New Response button. To review a previous response, you can select Preview Response to view it within the same window. Click View a New tab to open it in a separate tab. And that's it. This is how you can use forms in Clinsoft. Thank you for watching and happy learning!